Hey guys, this Crypto Marishi does it all, a little bit of everything. I am going to give you the latest on how the crypto market is doing when it comes to Ethereum. Ether price prediction markets bet ETH will hit 5,000 by the end of August. ETH traders and bets on Polymarket predict that Ether price will hit 5,000 before the end of August. And I believe it's possible, guys. The way the market is going, for some reason, ETH taking off like nobody's business. For some reason, out of nowhere, ETH was sleeping with 3 grand now for almost 5. Last night, for sure, when I saw Bitcoin at 125,000, for sure, I thought ETH was going to hit 5K last night. But this morning, we get some bad news from the market, and that kind of like slowed the momentum down. Ether trades at 4,600 with a 64% chance of hitting 5,000 by August 31st. The odds of a new ETH all-time high in August jumped to 87% on Polymarket. Analysts warn of a potential correction to 4,000 to 4,400 if a key price support fails. ETH is trading below 4,600 as the market digests a hot producer price index PPI print that showed inflation advancing that far ahead of investors' expectations despite the sharp correction from a multi-year high. Traders are still confident that Ether will hit $5,000 before the end of 2025. Polymarket users place $5,000 ETH price odds at 64%. Ether bull market projection this year have been notably optimistic, driven by technical patterns, institutional interest, and on-chain metrics. Now, Polymarket bettors believe that a 5,000 ETH price is possible before the end of August, placing the odds at 65 and 90% for a 4,800 price tag. They are also giving 31% and 18% chance of the altcoins price crossing 5,400 and 5,800 respectively before the month ends. Wow, that's some good odds. And you know what, to tell you the truth, it is possible. It is possible. For sure, last night I thought ETH was going to hit the 5K mark because when I saw Bitcoin at 125,000, I say, my goodness, this is a new all-time high. I don't know if anybody recorded it. I saw it. I'm not crazy. And it was amazing, fantastic to see that. And I can see Bitcoin hit 150 to 200,000 by the end of this year. Yeah, I can see it. And one thing I realized, I think Bitcoin is the big guys' coin. Like the rich people, the millionaires, the billionaires, the micro sailors. And Ethereum is more like in the low price range for now, like for middle class people who can afford to buy. Because at this point, 123, 125,000, ain't nobody got that kind of money to buy a whole Bitcoin if you don't have the money like that. But ETH, below 5K, many of us can allow ourselves to put a little $100, $200. It doesn't even have to be a whole ETH. 0.1, 0.2, it means something. All right, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.